back to Boat Week of 2021, Boat Week number 4. In fact, we'll have some of the playlists of all of our boat weeks of this year linked down in the description box below. But this RC boat is awesome because you can buy this on Amazon. So I love that. I buy everything on Amazon. Everything. Ask Nate. He is in charge of disposing of said boxes.
Yeah, it's a lot of boxes.
So this is on Amazon for only $50, completely ready to run. So you get the boat, the transmitter, the battery, and the charger. So to me, that's a good deal. And if you are a subscriber to our channel, then you got a sneak peek of this boat yesterday because we used it as a rescue boat with our little sad $27 boat. But actually, you know, in a pull-out thing is awesome. But anyways, purple boat. I love the color. I love that it's on Amazon, and I like the price. So let's drive. Okay, flip test. Good job, Nate.
Go ahead and get it before. Oh, nice. You did it so quick.
I did it. That's the first.
And you didn't look where you were going.
I did,
you looked away.
It didn't turn.
No, Abby, your boat weeks are so bad. Now, if you get it farther in the lilies, I am not getting it.
Let me just slam it with a stick again.
Yeah. Oh, that's true. It's so durable. Look at what we did the other day. Nope. No! Oh!
And I'm gonna do it again. Come on! Why am I doing this way? I'm just like humiliating myself every day. Hiya! Come on!
Nice! Okay, bring it in.
It's durable!
That's 4 sticks it's been thrown at it.
Look! It's struggling to turn right now.
Well, it's got a ton of grass.
I'm reversing to try to get the grass.
There, you did it. You did it.
Yeah!
Wow.
This thing is
A beast.
super durable. And it's actually a really good speed for just 50 bucks.
I like the radio too because it's like a drone radio. So the left stick is throttle and the right stick steers it. See? Nice.
Yeah, this is a good one. For
It's
50
fast.
bucks, it's really good. I like the speed of it.
And it's water cooled and it's self-righting, which is what Abby tested at the beginning of this video. Nice. Yeah, this thing has self-righting, which is what Abby showed at the beginning of the video. Got her stuck in the grass. But that's a good feature to have, especially on such a budget boat, which is amazing. And it's water cooled. So water gets sucked up in a hose and shoots out the side to keep all the electronics cool while this drives. Oh, and another thing, Abby.
What?
It has 2 batteries.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
For 50 bucks, that's amazing. Charges with USB, so you can use your phone charger in the car. Maybe your car has USB if you're fancy. But you know what? Abby and I have a car that doesn't have USB in it. And I found a thing on Amazon that plugs into your
cigarette lighter.
Yeah. And it gives you 2 USB ports. Maybe I'll link that below too.
I think you need to try to drive the purple boat.
I want to. It's a good looking boat. So this is something you didn't really show. It has variable throttle, which means if you just give a little bit of throttle, it can drive nice and slow.
I was going full force the whole
look
time.
at that. So you can just cruise really slow if you want to. It has throttle trim and steering trim, so if it's veering off in one direction, which is driving pretty straight, there's a little bit. There, I just trimmed it up to the right a hair. And it's driving a little bit straighter now. This is a cool boat, and I believe one more thing to boot, which is awesome, this boat has telemetry. So that means when your battery is getting low, the radio is going to beep and say, hey, time to bring the boat in before your battery dies. It also beeps when you're getting it ready to go in the water. So right when you plug the battery in, it's going to beep a lot, which all that is a really good thing because you don't want to have a dead battery on an RC boat out in the middle of a lake. That's bad. But you don't get that with this boat because the radio beeps to tell you time to bring it in. I see the water shooting out of the left side, which tells us the water cooling is working perfectly. It even has a small rooster tail because it's driving fast enough to kick the water up. It looks good. This might be one of the better, smaller boats we've ever featured, and especially being sold on Amazon. Sometimes Amazon prices are a little bit higher, but I think $50 is really good for this, especially considering the prices of RC stuff has been going up like crazy. So I'm guessing the price of this will probably go up a little bit, but we'll see. Hopefully it holds out at 50 bucks. This is a nice boat, Abby.
I like it.
I
like the price. I like that it's on Amazon.
You haven't done bow nuts yet.
Oh, it is boat week though, so it's bow nut week.
All right, let's see your famous bow nuts. And that's awesome.
These are one-of-a-kind bow nuts.
They
can only be seen on the RC Sailors.
Well, no one else can do bow nuts like you. That's nice. Oh, they're hypnotizing too. Oh my gosh, you have the best bow nuts.
I wasn't able to do it with yesterday's boat, so.
No, yesterday's boat was, let's just say kid-friendly. There
you go.
That beeping tells you. And the reason the battery is low a little bit fast is because we use this.
About 4 minutes, 5 minutes to rescue the other boat.
That's right.
Okay, water test.
Oh yeah. Unlock that. This comes up. There's a water rubber seal there.
Nice.
And yeah, there's some water in here. Let's do this. Okay, that's a good bit of water, but not too bad. Not too bad. That's I'd say average. But you can always use some boat tape or just nice shipping tape or electrical tape to go around that to keep all the water out if you really want to.
Well, I really like this boat.
I do too.
Like the price. I love that it's on Amazon. I would recommend this for $50. It doesn't get much better than this in that price range. We'll have this linked down below. If you want to check it out, click that link. It helps support our family. But if you decide you don't want to purchase this boat, but you need something else on Amazon, if you guys didn't already know, if you click that Amazon link and then go buy something else on Amazon, basically anything, it actually, that purchase helps support us too, not just buying the boat. You can click this boat link, then go search for pots and pans, and if you buy those pots and pans, it helps support us. So if you appreciate the free videos, the free content, and the honest content, click that link and it'll help support us, and it just means so much to me and Nate and our family. Well, for a beautiful day, we have a beautiful sunset behind you guys, and for cool boats like that, and for awesome RC boats like this, and for just a fun hobby that we get to share with you guys on YouTube, I want to thank God. It's just an amazing thing and an amazing hobby to share with you, and I'm just so thankful that we get to do that. I also want to say a huge thanks to our patron family members. You guys are the reason that we can be so honest and transparent with all the RCs on our channel and tell you boats are good, and boats like yesterday, depends on your style. And for that, we are just so appreciative of you guys having our backs. We will have one of Nate's favorite boats popping up right about now. Go check that out, and we'll see you over there. Bye!